are discussing the question paper, the sample question paper of CBSE 12th. Subject code is 065 Information Practices. In today's session, we'll cover the objective type questions or section A. The first question is, state whether the following statement is true or false. The drop method can be used to remove rows or columns from a pandas data frame. The answer is true. So its answer is true. Now the next question is, what will be the result of the following SQL query? Select mod 5, 6. Mod 5, 6 stands for the modulo. That is, we need to find out the remainder when the 5 is divided by 6. So 6 zeros are 0 and the remainder comes 5. So its answer is B. Next question. Shruti received an email that appeared to be from a popular social media platform requesting her to click a link to reset her password. The link directed her to a fraudulent website designed to capture her login credentials. This situation is an example of which type of cybercrime? So in phishing, this fraudulent acts take place. The next. Yeah. Now the next question is, which of the following Python statement is used to write a pandas data frame df to a CSV file? So the correct option is to_CSV. So df.to_CSV will write the data frame to a CSV file. Which of the following device is used for converting digital signals from a computer into analog signals for transmission over a telephone line? So digital signal to analog and analog to digital signal is converted by modem. So modem is a device which is converting digital to analog and analog to digital. What is the purpose of round num, 0 in SQL, assuming num is a number with a fractional part? So when we are rounding off to 0, so it is rounding to the nearest integer. So answer to this is rounds the number to the nearest integer. Now the next, question number 7. Arushi has written a novel and wants to protect her literary work. Which of the following intellectual property right will help her to do that? So the correct option is copyright. She can apply for copyright. Question number 8. The default index used in Pandas series, if no index is explicitly specified, is a string starting with a, consecutive integers starting from 1, random integers, consecutive integers starting from 0. So its answer is D. The first index is always 0. Question number 9. Consider a table named student that has one primary key and 3 alternate keys. How many candidate keys does the table have? Its options are 1, 2, 3, 4. So one primary key and 3 alternate keys altogether makes 4 candidate keys. So answer to this question is D, 4. Question number 11. Question number 10. Which of the following is an application of Voice over Internet Protocol technology? VoIP is Voice over Internet Protocol. So answer to this is Internet telephony. Which of the following SQL function, this is question number 11. Which of the following SQL function is used to count the non-null values of a column named column underscore name? So to count the column name, we are going to have count column underscore name. When two panda series with different indices are added, the result is error occurs, indices are ignored and the elements are added in order. The result has all indices with missing values filled as NaN and D is only the common indices are retained in the result. Its correct option is the result has all indices with missing value filled as NaN, not a number. In India, question number 13. In India, the primary law that deals e-commerce and cybercrime is IT Act 2000. So this is answer number C, Information Technology Act 2000. Question number 14. Which SQL command is used to sort rows in either ascending or descending order of the values in a specific column? And the correct option is order by. Order by statement is arranging the data in ascending or descending order. Question number 15. Which of the following Python commands select the first three rows of a data frame DF, assuming that label index are consecutive integers starting from 0? So 0, 1 and 2. These are the three records that will be. So its correct option is B. df.loc square bracket colon 2. In which network topology is every node directly connected to every other node, and it is the mesh topology. Every node is interconnected with one another. Question number 17. What is the use of instr function in SQL? In str. So its correct option is to find the position of a substring. In str is finding the substring in a string. Question number 18. Which of the following Python statement creates an empty pandas data frame? Note PD is an alias for pandas. So the correct option is B. PD.data frame. Which of the following is not an aggregate function in SQL? Min is to find the minimum. Sum is to find the sum of the values. Upper is not an aggregate function. Upper is to convert into uppercase. Average is also an aggregate. So out of these four, upper function is not an aggregate function. Now question number 20 to 21. They are assertion and reason type of question, and they are the options A, B, C, D. Assertion A, question number 20. Assertion, the output of print df and print df loc colon colon will be the same for a data frame df. The statement reason is the statement print df dot loc colon will display all the rows and columns of the data frame df, thus showing the entire data. So the answer is A. Both A. So answer to this is option A. Option A is both A and R are true and R correctly explains A. So this is the option A. This is option A and is applicable for question number 20. Now question number 21. Assertion A. The insert into command is a DML, that is data manipulation language command. Reason, DML commands are used to insert, update or delete the data stored in a database. Insert into is adding a row, that is inserting a row, and insert command is changing the rows of the table. So therefore this is a data manipulation, language command. And therefore the answer is A. That is, both A and R are true and R correctly explains A. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. And section B, C, D, we will be discussing the next of the sections we will be discussing in our next class. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to continue for the second part of this sample paper solving. Thank you so much.